You're live. One sec. All right. Well, there we go. All right. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's having a good day. And we got sun power kicking off right now. Wow, that's a lot of volume. All right. Well, good news is I got sun power contracts, so we'll see how that goes. I'm not gonna get too excited just yet. It's pre-market still. All right. All right. MGOL popped up, coming back down. Mango. Mango went up a little bit after the drop, followed up to the high yesterday. As I said, guys, I apologize for my squeeze some power, squeeze them. Let's go, some power, let's go. Hold up, I gotta keep my emotions in check. Damn, now it's the only thing I want to look at. All right. Yeah, guys, I'm not feeling too hot, so it's probably why my voice sounds a little messed up. Wow, look at that. Of course, they're gonna pop it up right like 20 minutes before market open. Bro, if they drop this thing down, I'm gonna be so mad. There's no way that they're gonna do that. All right. MGRX, yeah. Saida had a nice run. I was watching it just before I went live. I was waiting on the coffee. That's why. Can't start the stream without coffee. Um. Oh yeah, and my in crown at 11 cent dropped to 19 cent today. How we looking? All right, I'll check in a sec, Lex. Good morning, by the way. Barbara, good morning. Lex, eat something good, bro. Hey, man, I've had my vitamins. All right, I took my vitamins. Bro, man's making my ass laugh. All right, come on, SunPower. That's it. That's all you got. $3, bro. Come on, man. You can go higher than that. You can break this level. Come on, you can bring it back to the 405s. Don't be stingy with your move, man. Don't be stingy. All right, let's remove all this crap. Yeah, I mean it's hitting on the 500 EMA on the 4 hour. Good old classic. Good old classic EMA. Saida, man. Look at Saida. I'm telling you, if you guys want to actually, I'm not even gonna say it. Nah. You don't. If you actually watch and listen to the stream, I don't need to tell you. You know exactly what I'm talking about. NXU, ooh, NXU had a nice pop. So by the way, um, So obviously I have some contracts on some power. That's why I'm watching it. Hopefully it goes higher than this level. But I do have around $50 on the cash account to day trade today, so that's what I'm going to be using. Rules are, well, my own personal rule is to not trade before market opens. I broke that rule yesterday and I lost money, so I also did a terrible tarp though, so good morning. BNED was another good hit for me this week. Oh yeah, I saw that running up. Nice little pop up. 104, 105, looking beautiful. Man, I wish my sick voice was my normal voice. I don't even know how to change my. How do I even speak like this normally? I sound so much calmer. NXU looking to pop up here, trying to break that 63. GWAV. BCAN. Yeah, there's some good pop-ups here. Side is kind of the beast of this morning. I hope everyone had a good day yesterday. By the way, I made a little GME AMC video. That thing kind of popped off. 260 views. Funny enough, I already had some AMC haters in the comments. I've been sick all week. Finally starting to get better. Yeah, man. You know how it is. You know how it is. Really, I need to eat some soup, man. That's probably not a bad idea. Get some soup in me. I'm normally not a big soup fan. I like stew more. Soup to me is just like savory tea. That's all soup is. It's just tea with salt. Like, I'm not the biggest fan. I'd rather just have a regular cup of tea. I don't know, maybe that's the European in me. If I'm gonna eat something, like I want some nice stew, man. Like mushrooms, steak, pork, chicken, what else? Some beans in there. A good broth, a little thick, some good spices. I don't need no chicken, whatever. Alright, I'm sorry, I'm fixated on SPWR here. I need this bad boy to pop more than this. I mean, it just jumped up 20%. Real organic bone broth, or are you a foe? Nah, bro, like, I know this is a weird conversation to have on just before the market's opening, but I normally, I don't know. I don't know anything about. Yeah, bone broth. Bone broth is good. Some marrow in there. Let's see, how's silver doing, by the way? How is silver doing? Silver is just still stuck in between that 32.20 to 31.50 level. Kind of the 75. excuse me, this is like 75 cent range right here. I still think we need to retest that 30 level on silver. If we do, I won't be disappointed. Everything else is just going to come back down. It would be a good opportunity to buy. All right. Let's get the I don't know. I think we're gonna just have to wait to see. SITA might pop up a little bit more. It's only ran up 68%, which I think at its peak it was in like the 80s or 90s, which is normally a pretty good level. MBI NXU, I don't know. NXU might be interesting. SNES, wasn't this? Isn't this Steve's play? No. What was Steve's play? Something with diabetes. Was that SNES? I don't know. RZLT. BuzzFeed also popping up. Crazy. I thought they went bankrupt. Maybe I'm crazy. So we're gonna SunPower's opening volume is basically higher, like pre-market volume is gonna be higher than the previous opening volume days. I would like for it to break that level. Technically, okay, it just had this weird long wick down. We got about 8 minutes left till market opens. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really see anything interesting. Like, nothing in pre-market at least. I think it was NXU. I don't know. We lately we've had some like pops and then drops and then some rallies. I think MGOL looks very not exactly like what was that play yesterday? MMAT. Whatever happened to MMAT, by the way? You know, it did pop back up a little bit. PXMD's on OTC. Get rid of this. I need to go through the watch list again, guys. I'm at max capacity on the watch list, and there's a bunch of OTC plays on there. More delisted plays. Wow, so far we've had a couple of plays that have that like those weird long wicks down to the bottom. I don't get that. Is someone they letting somebody in, or are they letting somebody out? I think it's probably a bit of both. Alright, let's update this thing one more time. We're on the final 5-minute candle here just before open. SunPower has officially joined. Wow, look at that. Join the screener list. That's good news. That means I don't have to keep flipping back and forth. Hey, DJ Underground, good morning, sir. Keep an eye on AKTS and GWAV. Alright, well, I'm going to do that. Because you called out MGUL yesterday, and I think before that you even called out a couple other plays. GWAV looks kind of interesting. What, you expecting a pop to the 9s or something? They did leave a weird gap at the 16-cent range. That could be interesting. SunPower is starting to pop up here. It's looking strong, man. Into the open. Let's hit some more highs. Let's not double top this. Come on, we can break 35. I want to see the 4s today. Did they flip that over? Yeah. It wants to do its thing. What about cascading? Oh, wow. Cascading doesn't look terrible. What about the 15? 15 doesn't look bad. We're going for round 3 now. Come on. I think SunPower could be a good play today. I mean, technically I'm already in it, so I am biased. But I'm gonna definitely keep an eye on DJ's callouts here, GWAV and AKTS. It's already up 200% AKTS, but you know, we've had some good runners as of late. I know GWAV, a lot of people have been following this one, so CTNT. Oh yeah, wasn't that play that hit like 45 or something? Hit 45 and went all the way down to $1. Dude, I was considering buying the dip yesterday in pre-market. Never mind. Wow. By the way, IPW fundamentally pretty good. I actually looked at their company. Like, I independently found their they were on a completely different screener, on a fundamental screener actually, and then they were also popping up, which something that I like. Actually, let me look at IPW a little bit more. Yeah, their market cap's kind of high now. When I was looking at them, they had some pretty decent, like, yeah, they don't have much debt. Their cash on hand sucks, but they're almost profitable. I mean, just based off of MMAT's price action, we should hit this like volume range in the 4 to 440, kind of with that similar setup. Wow, GWAV really did go all the way back down. That's kind of insane. What about GME? GME is still dancing around the 20s, low 20s. AMC, I think AMC still needs to break down one more time. I'm surprised Sea-Doo hasn't popped off yet. Boom, there we go. Market is open. AKTS is at the top of the list. BNED following suit. BuzzFeed close second or third. Dropping back down. Saida making another attempt for a pop-up here. Hold up. Let me off. Man, I hate Weeble options sometimes. Hold up. I gotta look this shit up. They still got bid at 6. That's kind of crazy. That means that this thing's going to get dropped. If they got bid at 6, that's kind of insane. Unless Robinhood is just absolutely messing with my balls right now. You know what? Let me actually just add this to the watch list so I don't have to look at it like this. Alright, there we go. Yeah, okay, they're just messing with my balls right now. Let's go. SunPower is... It's actually making a decent move. Outside of my options, is actually making a decent move in the market. It's up 27%. AKTS looking for another pop-up here. Saida, another rally to the 420s. Very nice. BuzzFeed with a quick spike to the upside. BNED getting dropped. Man, SunPower. Yo, can they update these options for the love of God? What is this? Dude, if I sell my options on SPWR, I'm gonna lose so much money. What is this? Alright, well, we'll figure it out. There we go. AKTS already making up a 12% move since the open. Your boy DJ calling out. Saida still making a rally. Looking good. Volume is pretty extreme right now. Float is incredibly small. Holy crap, it's only half a mil. Bro, what is this open? Alright, NXU. I thought NXU would have a little bit more in it. Well, the volume's pretty good. Not great, but not bad. SGN looking pretty decent as well. Actually, yeah, okay, we're in my cash account. AKTS now breaking the 50s. Looking to break 51.84, that pre-market high just before it opened. GLAV still struggling a little bit. BCAN, a little awkward. Let's actually update the screener here real quick. We got some more plays added on. There we go, 53.30 AKTS. Don't ever question your boy DJ. Watching CTNT. Is CTNT really... Damn, it's actually kind of moving. You know what? Hold up. Let me look at the 3-minute. Volume... The flow is so big. What about the 1 minute? Yeah, volume's still kind of low. I'm not sure how I feel about that. AKTS getting dropped from 56. Saida 472. Still early in the market. We're not even past the first 5-minute candle yet, so I'm not really making... I haven't made any decisions yet. NXU, there we go. I think NXU could actually be... It's up 26%. Yeah, it's still too early. But it's looking good here. That would be what, like 100? Alright. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, okay. Damn. I can't buy. Oh, it's out of my price range. And it's moving as well. Yeah, NXU. Boom, there we go. NXU making the move, 66 cents right off the rip. 10-cent gain already up. This is like a 20% move right there. Right off the bat. SIDA still looking to climb up here. Volume is still really good. Yeah, SunPower. That was such a weird. I could tell that the options are really weird, man. I'm in the options and I was looking at it, I'm like, yeah, that makes no sense. MGOL looks like it wants another rally here. Probably gonna hit that 202 level. Woof. Petco Health and Fitness. What's the float on this? What's their news? They beat estimates? Wow. Alright. Yeah, there we go. MGOL still looking spicy. And I guess you got its half brother MLGO. So is on the screener. AKTS getting dropped here. BNED making a rally back up. SIDA. BuzzFeed also making a move. MGOL. Yep. MGOL hit 183. NXU long wick at the top. Yeah, that was a pretty quick move. Probably going to see a little bit of selling pressure kick in. BNED is halted, by the way. BuzzFeed 444. SIDA all the way back down. NXU. Woof also making a run. Or Petco. I'm not saying woof. What? I'm not sitting here on stream saying woof. They've had increasing revenue. Actually, hold on. Let me look at Petco. How much? Trust me, I know. I'm surprised it actually fell down this hard. Oh yeah, okay. They were losing a big amount of money. No wonder. All right, AKTS. BuzzFeed. I don't know, I keep repeating the same plays, but these are the ones that are moving, so. Alright, we're still looking for a play here. Beacon could be interesting. The volume is so low though. LQR. No, AKTS really starting to, I don't know, these quick spikes here at the open, little Saito with a drop. Yeah, Pecco doesn't really excite me all that much. I mean, their market cap's already up pretty big. I guess SunPower just wanted to retest that level. MBIO. It's a float. Float's pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. Marginal gains there. Actually. NXU 56. Pecco's still going. Pecco is pretty undervalued. Like, you could easily argue for like 2 or 3 billion, which would put it at around 6. $6 to $9, which would be hitting daily EMAs. So you know what, we're going for it. We're going for Wolf. There's a lot of people trying to get back in. Opening volume 2.4, 1.8, 1.6. Consistency. They got, yeah, they have options as well. June 21st. BNED halted, by the way. 119 on the way up. Yeah, SunPower had a good bounce off the 280. What was the low? 262. That was yesterday's low. AKTS looking for another run here. VWAP and 13 don't look terrible. Saida still holding on to some support. BuzzFeed still looking to pop up here. AKTS getting dropped, flipped the other way. MGOL still at that 160 level. That'll be VWAP retest. GWAP not really popping up. Mango had a hard drop at open, but it looks like it wants to come back up at that same level as it was yesterday when Pyro called it out. Mullen at 444. Wolf gonna drop? Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing, Pyro. It's giving me that feeling. Petco. I don't know. I thought Wall Street would pump this up a little bit more because I know for a fact that institutions are loading the crap out of this, but I didn't expect them to slow it down so quickly. You have 320 resistance. It hit 330. Wait, 330 was the high? Oh, yeah. Alright, we'll set a stop. I don't. It's gonna be like a $2 loss on it if it does. It shouldn't break that level, but if it does, actually, you know what? I'll do it a little bit lower. 308. MBIO still not looking terrible. No, they're gonna do one like last little stop loss raid, aren't they? Okay. Yeah, they're caking this up at 320. Does look like it wants to go though. It's just yeah, this one's a little tough. Hey, what's up, Joel? Good morning, man. MGOL's recovering. Here comes the drop. Alright, let's take a look. Yeah, it's definitely trying. It's holding at that support level. I don't know, this could be low volume. A low volume pop on Wolf. Whatever. We got our stop in, so it doesn't matter. MBIO. I think MBIO still looks really good. This was the first play I was gonna jump in. Alright, SunPower's making another move. There we go. Okay, this move is real this time because you can tell by the options. This one's a lot more real. The first one was fake as crap. There was just a bunch of people offloading their options. This one's a lot more real. Alright, let's see. What you got, SunPower? What do you got? This move I believe a lot more. I will enter Wolf if it hits 299. You know what? It's gonna stop me out, isn't it? Come on, man. Don't do this. That's why I don't like putting in stops. You know what? We're sticking with it. If I lose on it, I lose on it. There's a low volume dip. If SunPower's moving like this, I believe in Wolf. Silver's taking a little bit of a shitter. There we go. Okay. I'm starting to believe some powers move a lot more as well. The options are looking good. There we go. Come on, man. You're telling me we can't make a larger move than this? We're not going to break? I mean, look at the 4 hour. 4 hour doesn't look terrible. Daily is pretty cooked. 4 hours cooked as well. I mean, technically we're on a 1 hour breakout. It's gonna come back down and retest that VWAP, isn't it? Don't flip it. Come on, some power. Some power. I think some power is actually gonna make a move here. See, let me look at the options again. I definitely believe the options a lot more. And they want to flip that. There we go. 322. Let's look at the. They bring it back all the way down to 299. Where are you getting that level, Pyro? Ah, okay, I see it. I'm like, where is it? Volume has significantly decreased, but it's also decreasing on the way down, so I'm curious to see how well that this 309 holds. Still really early on. What did we hit? We hit 307. Wow. Okay, which is clipping that area. See, what's the total volume? Still need that gap fill. Well, what's the... There's that drop. Alright, if it breaks 13 here, it's going to be an issue. You kind of wanted to hold this level. They're really trying. Buying area is probably too. Yeah. Alright, well, it hit that 299 area. And it's going right back down. I can live with a loss like that. I mean, the volume is so low, though. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that really gets me. What about the 1 minute? Yeah, I bought way too high. See, do I believe? I mean, I believe it. Cited trying to make it back to VWAP 420. In at 298, just looking for 5 to 10%. Yeah. Where's SunPower? It's okay. Yeah. No, it's looking good. I wanted. They've definitely worked on these levels. All right. I want to see where's that volume. Actually, kind of reminds me of MMAT. Very similar pattern as to yesterday. Though it wasn't really much of a. Yeah, we ended up underneath that like channel, which would put it at. Well, we're already above that channel, so technically it's higher. let's look at Sun Power. Man, look at the volume on this thing. We're still getting good buying pressure. It's gonna stop me out here, ain't it? Yeah, 3 minute doesn't look particularly good. Hold up, because Sun Power's chart now looks very different. What is today? Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. Yes, whoops. So, yep, there we go. I mean, silver is outside of the boil band, so it does need to come down, retest that level, find support. Probably even dip back to the 28 level. On Petco. I mean, it should. It has a setup to do so. The 5 minute candle, I mean, it doesn't look terrible. For a second there, I thought they halted it. Yeah, they're going to tease VWAP break. Was it 307? There we go. Alright, still looks alive. So what people are waiting. We're going to see a quick spike to this 320 level. Look at that. Still looking really good here. don't do the 310 stop. That's such bull. ELTK still looking good. The only issue you'll have is that you didn't buy more. Yeah, that volume is an issue. Round 30 for SunPower. As long as it maintains above the threes with some consistent uptrend, I think you're good. The Mac 5 minute MACD is a bit suspicious though. You're just getting a 1 minute cross. If they can time it, they get cascading on 4 different time frames, which would be pretty nice. SunPower, there we go. SunPower needs to break 350. 350, 4, and then 440. Got that volume stacked at like 390 though. Wow. Yeah, option chain on that is pretty. I mean, we filled that. Come on, SunPower. You can make everything go away. What about GME? No, GME hasn't done anything. Come on. Give the setup. You can see it's still trying to hold on to that 13. Alright, options are looking better on SunPower. You got a diminishing spread, which is normally a good sign for the most part. What was that high? 313? When you hit 330, it's... Oh, sorry. I've completely forgot about all the other plays. AKTS fell down. BNED 124, not looking terrible. SIDA dropped. NXU dropped, came back up or coming back up. BuzzFeed with a big drop. Don't trust that. I was going to say, I'm pretty sure that is 100%. Whoops. Wait, is this the right screener? Yeah. AKTS looking for another come up here. BCG I don't even know how BCG managed to get on this watch list, but Frey had a beautiful run up. Wow, look at that. Consistent volume. We need to see a volume flip on this play. Sun Power is a bit different though. This one's not going to get volume until it does something, which is not always my favorite play, but at least for today, of course. That's what I mean. It needs something to draw on liquidity. CXAI is popping up a little bit today. You know, AKTS coming from the 30s all the way up to the 40s. Already a decent return there, 18% or something. I thought VSME was going to have a move. There we go. Come on. Give us a... Now we just need the volume, man. Just get... Where's that return volume? Ping it back. Ping it back. MGOL dipping. Yeah. No, I didn't need that gap fill. I would say right now, like, I think I said at the beginning, well, maybe I'm not sure if I said this on stream, but I did say over the weekend. Yeah, I didn't say it on the stream. I said during the weekend, I basically said to the people I was talking with that I think it's gonna be late in the week. There we go. Hey, you like that recovery, Pyro? You like that recovery? Classic recovery. Classic. It's such a classic recovery. Took a while. Now we need to break 320. They're just gonna try to fill it in, but it's looking good. We got the volume on our side as well. Alright, it's gonna break highs here. If it comes down to this level, it's gonna be done anyways. There we go, Sun Power. 325. Look at that. Oh, baby. Give me a triple kill. Give me a triple kill. 360 no scope. Triple kill. Ooh, baby, a triple. Come on, Sun Power. Where's the resurgence in volume, man? Oh, they're trying to flip it green. Wow. See, we got another 7 minutes left before the first hour is over. We hit 319. There we go, 320. We need to break it though. If we break it, we're going. There we go, we broke it. Oh my god. That's such... Yeah, that's a bit questionable. No, some power is grinding, man. It's just grinding. This one you don't even really have to be worried about. It's just grinding. Come on, baby. There's that volume. There's that volume. Oh yeah. I'm still in the red on this Petco play, so I'm just moving up my stop. I think we should see a move here, but that last candle was a bit questionable. But Sun Power, on the other hand, Hold up. I'm going to go get some more coffee. I know I didn't bring the canteen. My family was awake, so. Yeah. There we go. We're still looking good. Come on. Yeah, Power, that 5% honestly wouldn't be a bad shout. Some Power had a nice little spike there. Looking for a little bit more. See, it's a bit of a questionable setup here. All right, let's look at the rest. Okay, well, AKTS just took a big drop. BNED taking a big drop. BCG, IGMS moving up. Doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Like, well, you do something like this, and you get like a, like it wants to kind of break out here, and then you like pump it up like this. Yeah, it's like, it's a bit of a flag, but it's, I don't know, that's a stretch. Trying to be a little bit more patient with it today. Some Power, on the other hand, Some Power just broke fib level, where it's stuck in this range. I got way too many lines on this thing. It's trying to break out of this line though. Where's this line from? Oh yeah, this. Wow. Oh wow, this was just a guess. Man, sometimes my guessing is just on point. But I like Some Power sort of like slow grind up. They've kind of been playing around with this candle though. If you look at the daily, Petco, I don't know Petco. Yeah, they're kind of messing around with that 13 and that VWAP. I thought it was going to make its move already. Plenty of opportunity for sideliners to jump in there. It's still showing buying pressure, but I don't know how confident I'm about that. I think I might take my 5% run. Yeah, wouldn't blame you. Take all profits, yeah. It definitely doesn't hurt. I still want to play around with this 315 level. Before it was 320. Now they're playing around with 315. I don't know. It seems like a little too good of a setup in my eyes. Nice little W pattern, though. They still got that gap at 304, 305. Just keep that in mind. Yeah, they already bounced off of it there. Kind of, I don't know, 2 minutes doesn't look great. If it breaks this level, it's gonna come down anyways. Come on, Sun Power. Sun Power is slow and steady, baby. I sold so it'll go up. Thanks, Pyro. I need that, bro. I need it to go up. I bought it at like the high, basically. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a little. I thought it was like, because if you actually understand the thesis surrounding like it's such a sad trend, man. Our society is so sad sometimes. Let's go, Sun Power. Make me happy. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Good spike. Good spike. Come on. Make that option chain sing, baby. Let it holla. Let it dance. Yeah, I'm okay if I recover some of my profits here. Or my losses. That's a better way of putting it. Let's just stick with Sun Power for now. Actually, let me flip over to my margin account. What are we... Still says we're at 20 on the options. A little high, but we can go further. What is that? Damn, these options don't make any sense. I'll tell you that right now. Sun Power is making a move to the upside. It just made a 4% move in 5 minutes, and you're telling me the options are going down? I don't understand shit, dude. Who's selling them? Who's selling them to you, bro? No one's gonna be selling them. Oh yeah, people. Okay, so people are shorting this right now because it's getting to that 350 level. Wait, am I still in? Damn, I'm still in. I'm honestly a bit surprised that I haven't been stopped out yet. I mean, I kind of knew that it was going to break down and break below the 13, so I did move my stop there. But I'm surprised that they haven't, like, limited it down yet. It's still kind of holding up. Bro, you're telling me that we're still going and the... Oh wait, am I missing something here, bro? Sun Power was the play. BGC making some gains. Yeah. Am I not understanding the option chain here? Alright, we can move it up one more penny. Problem is we've been going up and it's still kind of going down. As a residential, there we go. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. 320, back at it. Come on, we're going to break highs. I said it. We're going to do it. All right. Look at that. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sell out of my 4 shares. So leave it up to 10 so I can clean it out evenly. Thanks, Pyro. I appreciate it. Come on, we have the volume, bro. We have the volume. Oh, the timing of this is really, really inconsiderate. We're still going up, and the option... BNED on the way down. BCG. Yeah, BCG's nice. Whew. Alright, we're going to make a big move here. We're going to make a big move. Come on. Well, what's the option here? 3.5? Yeah, but that's not for a month. So the option chain really shouldn't have that much of it. Well, I say that, but come on, man. What's the 5 minute looking like? 5 minute? We got a break. We got a break. Oh, I'm gonna set another stop there and leave another 5 for just in case it decides to play with our emotions. is that possible? What? That makes no sense. Alright, we gotta break 350 here then. It's the only logical explanation. Oh wow. Yeah, we're going for highs. 358 on some power. Some power's moving. 360. Alright, we're running into fib levels. Actually, a big one at 365. 365 is a big fib level. You know what? I'm just gonna sell off 5 shares. I'll just leave that stop in. I'll just break even. I'll break even on Petco. If it runs, it runs. But now it's time to focus on some power. A bit awkward, but I'm gonna see if it actually takes that order or not. I don't think it will, but oh, okay. Well, they stopped me out of. Oh, CRKN making a big push. There we go. DTCK also with a bit of a spike. Yeah, drop on Petco. We canceled the order. see if I try it. Let me try one more time. Wow, look at that flip. I want my money, man. Let's go. Yeah, man. Still my... Come on, Sun Power. You're going to break 362. You're at 21 now. 22. Alright, they think it's going up. Past 362. Boom. 363. $364, give us the 4. We want to see 8, really. And wants to do it. Man, I don't know what the hell this algo is doing, bro. I really don't know what this algo is doing. Yeah, it's trying to break that level right now. And you get rough at 380. It's gonna get rough at 380. I think that's the anticipation of it. Let's go. To be fair, 2 plays called out on the stream today. You would have made money if played correctly. Yeah. Hey. Owe knows what he's doing, bro. Shout out to your boy Owe. Oh wow. Okay, we just broke we hit 367. We're looking for 368, which we just got. All right, 370. Come on, come on, SunPower. I'm not looking at the chart. I'm looking at the options on Robinhood because I'm in options. So I have to look at the prices. But it's moving, which I'm a big fan of. So come on, I want to see 440 today. It hasn't hit 74 yet, which is good. Somewhat. We want to break the 73, 74 area. What is it? Yeah, we're still at a fib level. We're like in between two. This is gonna be tricky. What about the 15? How's the 15 looking? 15 is looking good. 30 also looks really good. I mean, we're up 11% right now on the 30 minute. The 4 hour looks really good as well. I mean, the 4 hour is telling you it's going to 399. We look at the daily. Yeah, 370. Okay, so we're just. Oh wow! I just realized we're actually just underneath that gap fill. If they're nice, they pass and hit us to tap us to 430. You know what? Yep, I know. I know. All right, boom. Wow, I can't believe they actually filled that. All right, I got some cash back. That's really what I wanted. Don't worry. That's the contract that I averaged down on, or my initial position was two contracts, and then I bought a third one, which I bought for like $11, and that thing's up like 150% or something, which is like $10, $15, but I'm okay with that. The rest I'll let ride, because that means I covered one of my contracts. Basically, I basically just covered one of my contracts, so I have one free contract and one contract I paid for. But with the move that it's making right now, these are probably going to hit, hopefully, the way that I want them to hit. Your boy always hoping it hits as well. It's just we're right underneath that gap, and I really don't want to. I'd rather buy back in later if need be, if that's even a possibility. Cause yeah, like bro, I'm not sure if how often you guys, at least on this one. Oh, wait, one sec. I'm back. Still looking good on this. All right, let's go look at other plays. So AKTS bouncing off the 120. BNAD's looking pretty good. BCG hasn't really made that much of a move. CVAC. Whoa, look at CVAC. CVAC with a nice climb. Got a lot of plays with a lot of floats here. Yeah, Wolf is still trading sideways. So, actually, I kind of played that pretty well. I'm actually kind of happy with that play. But yeah, these options, man, are crazy, dude. Like I just sold one of my options for basically profit, and then I look back now and the contracts dropped by like 50%. Wait 1 sec. All right, I'm back. Sorry. All right. Come on, baby. Let's dance. By the way, my ELTK position, I'm up $5 on it. That's pretty good. I only bought 5 shares, but they had good earnings. Actually, maybe buy some more ELTK. By the way, I'm actually no, I'll announce that in a little bit. Still got this gap to fill, even up to the 14s. I think I might just hold my ELTK position. How much does it cost to buy 5 more? if I buy 5. $60. It's actually not that bad of a trade. I mean, it can't really go down. I mean, it can, obviously, but it would be stupid for it to do so. Plus, this is kind of a play I want to hold, but it's just after earnings, which kind of makes me... ELTK is one of those plays, man, where... I mean, it'll go down at some point, but... I think we'll get another spike to the 20s. I think it'll go up another 50, like 100%. How much would I have in it? 120. You know what? Yeah, this is a long-term play. This is a long-term play. I'm buying 5 more ELTK. Why not? It's a risky maneuver with this account, but I'm doing it anyways. I'm doing it anyways. Boom. Look at that. 10 shares of ELTK. Alright, SunPower slowing down a little bit for now. We did hit 374. Oh, yeah, Pyro. Yeah. No, we have the same computer, bro. It gets really noisy. I know. Like that's kind of why I try to turn down the volume, and then you guys like the volume's too low. Well, when I kick up the volume, you guys hear all the noise in the back. It gets a little weird. So, but hey. But yeah, I'm buying more. I've just bought some more ELTK, man. ELTK is I like the fundamentals. It's a circuit board company, right? They I think they deal with they have military contracts. Where are they based out of again? Wow. Oh wait, I thought they were a Dutch company, dude. They're based out of Israel. What? I didn't even know that. I thought they were a Dutch company. Why did I think they were a Dutch company? Oh no, I mean they do operate in the Netherlands. Oh, that's weird. Well, I'm buying more. All right. I'm gonna take a bit of a pullback here on SunPower. I don't even think the volume is still pretty low. I think they're gonna do an after hours pop on this. I mean, the float on LTech is low as well, man. This is like a $30 stock that like nobody buys into, except me, because I'm a savage. I buy these type of companies. Do you? No, you don't. All right, yeah, there we go. Alright, Sunflower is slowing down, but the volume doesn't really say it's slowing down. Yeah, they can't really do much with this until after hours. All right, guys, but that's gonna be it for me today. Um, I've been on the stream for a while. How long has it been? 2 hours. Yeah, and I can't trade anymore. So, well, I mean, I did just make a trade, but I'm just adding to a position. Um, yeah. So that's gonna be it for me today, guys. If you haven't already, check out. I made a GME AMC video, and I already got some hate on it, which I think is hilarious because I'm not even. I got called an AMC shill, so don't worry, I'm gonna respond to that. All right, I already got a whole thing planned out. All right, Pyro, Away, Joel, DJ, Lex, Barbara, Steve. Was Steve here today? Steve was not here today. I'm thinking about yesterday. Thank you for everyone who came by, stopped by, liked the video. Very much appreciated. Um, Tomorrow is Thursday. I think I have a day trade tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. We'll see. If I have a day trade tomorrow, I will be live. Well, I should also have settled cash, actually. I'll be live tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow morning. Um, yeah. Catch you guys all tomorrow morning. Until next time, peace.